Welcome back to another video on the Turbo EF Falcon project. We have so much to do in this video, so we better get started. Wait, what the hell, guys? Holy crap, someone just had an accident outside my house. We gotta go. This guy literally just crashed outside my house. Dude, are you okay? I think so, but my poor car isn't. How did it happen? There was an oil spill on the road. I must have driven over it and lost control of my car. It wasn't my fault. Damn, bro, I feel bad for you. Look, this might be a bad time to tell you, but I think you should get a dash cam. Wait, just hold on one second. Here you go, bro. Just the thing for you. Oh, thanks, man. So if you don't want to end up like old mate over there, I highly suggest you pick yourself up a really good dash cam. And in my opinion, a really good choice is DDPai's new N5 dual dash cam. DDPai was also founded in 2013. They've been in business for over 10 years. They've got over 100 patents under their name, and they also work really closely with well-known brands such as Huawei, Alibaba, and even Volvo. Massive shout out and thank you to DDPai for sending out their N5 dual dash cam for me to review. I'm super excited to see how it works. So let's go grab the car and put it in. This is the car we're going to be installing the N5 dual dash cam on. It's my 2007 XR6 BF Falcon. But before we install a dash cam, we need to unbox this thing. So let's do that. So first of all, the packaging is super nice, premium. I love the design of it. Let's pull this sleeve off. I'm going to pop this open. So once we open up the box, we are presented with the front camera. Looks like it's built really well as well, nice and sturdy. Got some protective stuff to peel off, which is my favorite. A really nice thing to see as well is they're using premium adhesives like 3M. This will have your warranty information, some instructions and whatnot. Obviously, this is the N5 dual dash cam, so we have the rear facing dash cam as well. Another really cool thing to see is they provide a USB charging cable as well. Also, we got our massive extension cable that goes to the back of the car, which if you have a really long sedan like my Falcon behind me, this will come in really handy. So now that we've unboxed everything, let's get all that stuff in the car and see how it works. Alright, all plugged in. Then we're gonna grab this end, run it to the front of the car, plug it into the front camera. Let's grab this end, plug it into the camera. Easy as that. Alright, let's go for a drive and let's see how good this camera looks. As you can see, even during sunset, the DDPai N5 shows a really crisp image both through the front 4K camera and the rear 1080p camera. The N5 front camera has a 140-degree wide view, which means that it will easily capture everything happening at the front of the car should you get into an accident. The rear camera has an impressive 125-degree view angle to ensure it records all the necessary details, which if you have to deal with a third party, it'll come in very handy. But the N5's standout feature is its AI-based radar motion detection system, which will keep your car protected even when it's parked. DDPai also has a really easy to use app, which also shows you a real-time image of what both dash cameras are seeing. You can see information like your Gs, your current speed, your location with the inbuilt compass, your average speed, and even your maximum speed. It's also really easy to access all the footage that both the cameras have recorded. I just had to stop in this car park close to my house and review the footage that I just recorded with the DDPai cameras. Honestly, I'm really shocked with how good the quality is. Currently recording in 4K, which is even better than I record my own videos in.
The vehicle ahead has started moving.
Thank you, DDPai. I just just want to give DDPai a massive thank you for sending out their N5 dual camera setup. I really enjoyed spending time with their product and reviewing it. I'll definitely be keeping it inside the BF Falcon. It's a really useful tool to have. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave all their details in the description below, so check them out. Once again, thank you very much to DDPai. See you in the next video.